Hey everyone, it's Julia with Wig Review Central at Shirley's Wig Shop. Today we are going to show you several different wig cap constructions. This way, when you read how a cap is constructed on Shirley's website, you will understand the difference between the different wig cap types. We are going to start with the Renee of Paris wig from the Orchid collection. This is Jan, and Jan has a machine-made basic cap. What this means is that this entire cap is machine constructed. It does not have a lace front, it doesn't have a lace part, a mono part, or monofilament top. It is just machine made. These are the most affordable because there's no special features to them. And this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's open wefted in the back and has just a standard fabric nape and pull adjusters. Next, we have another Renee of Paris Orchid collection style. This is Jody, and Jody is a slight upgrade from the basic cap in that Jody has an extended lace front that goes in about an inch, inch and a half. So this is considered an upgraded feature, and it is hand tied. The rest of it is closed cap, just like a basic cap. And as you can see, this cap resembles Jan's cap, except that this has an upgraded Velcro adjuster. They're very sleek and more comfortable at the back of the head than the pull or hook adjusters. Next, we have the Renee of Paris, the Alexander Couture collection style. This is Harper. And Harper has an upgraded cap from the basic cap. It has a center lace part and an extended lace front. So you can see that with this particular cap, you can part the hair in the center or a little bit left or a little bit right so that you get what looks like a real hair part when you wear the wig. You have the adjustable ear tabs on the side, the open wefts on the sides and the back. You have a velour extended nape and the pull adjusters. Next, we have the Ellen Villa style Voice. Voice is an upgraded cap from the last one in that it has a full monofilament top along with an extended lace front. Now, the full monofilament top is most sought after by many wig wearers because it allows you unlimited parting options. You can part the wig left, center, or right. The velour ear tabs are adjustable. The sides and the back are open wefted. You have an extended velour nape, which is very comfortable, and this also has Velcro adjusters. Now, the high-end luxury cap is considered to be the 100% hand-tied cap. This is the John Renault Zara Light Wig. It features an extended lace front. It has a full monofilament top. The sides and the back are hand-tied with this very soft, luxurious cap. This particular cap is most sought after by men and women who have a medical condition in which they have lost all or most of their hair, because these luxurious hand-tied caps are oh so soft, very comfortable against the scalp. Now, the Zara Light cap has silicone here at the back, at the nape, and at the ear tabs. This helps prevent slipping and sliding. You can also add lace front tape or adhesive to these silicone features to anchor or glue the cap in place. This particular cap does have adjusters, though they're a little bit hidden, and they have Velcro adjuster. The adjusters allow you to change the circumference of the wig cap up to 1/2 inch. Well, we hope you've enjoyed this quick video showing you different types of wig cap construction. I have listed all of the wigs presented here in the text box of the video. If you'd like to shop for any of these styles, you can visit shirleyswigshop.com. I've added links where you can click and shop. Be sure to use my discount code Julia30 to save 30% off most wigs and hair toppers at shirleyswigshop.com. Oh, and I almost forgot, I am wearing the Ellen Villa style Nola. This is in the color Sahara Beige. I love Nola. This is one of my favorite short styles. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.